The Arts for Healing and Justice Network is a network of 13 member organizations that do direct arts programming with young people in the juvenile detention setting and also in community sites. We received a negotiation grant in 2015 to explore the possibility of formalizing a network structure. And then we also got an integration grant later that same year to bring in a consultant to really help us through that process. Before receiving the support from NSI, we were convening the different organizations almost as a work group, and they were coming together to talk about their successes and their challenges in programming. And we really saw the opportunity of how do we really formalize that partnership so that the members, well, actually the organizations at the time, would have a space to share resources and also expertise. We were able to bring on board external consultants to really talk to each of our founding members to talk about the work that they did, their financials, what were some of the challenges they were encountering, what did they need from this network structure, what was missing. With that funding, with that support, we were able to really have a very clear guide or pathway of our role as a network and how can we support the network members in our capacity as a collective. We've also grown to the point where we're now programming in all juvenile detention facilities across LA County and in community settings. When we first started, we were just a staff of 2, the executive director and myself, and now we are a staff of 10 full-time staff members, and we have an annual budget of a little bit over $2 million. So we have really grown in such a short span of time as this collective. We're able to model effective collaborations, and that's something that has enabled us to have a united voice to amplify how the arts are crucial to justice reform. By having this group of organizations, we've also been able to tap into funding that was inaccessible before, especially public funding. So smaller CBOs weren't able to contract with big departments like the probation department. So by having this network structure, we're actually able to funnel money from big departments into the smaller organizations, serving almost as a pass-through mechanism for our members. I think in the nonprofit sector, there's this mentality of scarcity of resources, that there's not enough. So as we were bringing these organizations together, we really learned that we can do and we can achieve a lot more by working together. And if it weren't for that belief in that collaborative effort, we wouldn't have been able to achieve what we've achieved to this day.